Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Pepperstone to MT5 in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. Afterwards, you need to simply search for Pepperstone trading application. When you are able to find it, simply tap on the option of install. Then you need to download and install the Pepperstone application on your phone first. Afterwards, you need to use the search bar again, and this time you need to simply search for MT5. You need to download and install MT5 application as well on your device. So once this is done, you just have to first of all launch your Pepperstone app. So when you are inside your account, simply just tap on your profile icon. Then you need to go to the settings. In your settings, you are going to see your login credentials that are associated with your MT5 account. So first of all, you need to copy the server from there. After that, launch your MT5 app. Tap on the option of add trading account. Now in this search bar, you need to paste that server which you have copied from Pepperstone. You can also look for Pepperstone over here, but I want you to basically copy the server from there and paste it over here, because if you look for Pepperstone for yourself, you will be get confused because you are going to see three different options. So once you are inside the correct server, simply just go back to your Pepperstone account. From there, copy the login ID and the password, then paste it over here in your MT5 one by one. Afterwards, simply tap on the option of login, and this way you will be able to connect Pepperstone to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.